All right, for number 14, as a general rule, a profit-maximizing restaurant owner employs each factor of production up to the point at which the value of the marginal product of the blank unit of the factor employed is blank that the factor's price. Okay, so what we have to remember is that we produce until MRP equals MFC, and MRP is marginal revenue product and equals the marginal factor cost. Okay? Now, they're not using MRP here. They're talking about the value of the marginal product of, in this case, it is the last unit, because that's how marginal works. We always base it on what the last unit is employed is that of the factor's price, which is the marginal factor cost. So it is B, last and equal to. I think the other answer that's tempting, because first is wrong, right, and next is wrong, is to say last and less than. And I think it's important which the value of the marginal. And it is tempting because, but we have to remember in econ that MRP equals MFC, that marginal revenue product equals marginal factor cost. So we produce until they equal each other. And so that is the same concept as we've stated before, which is that marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Very similar to that.